Smart investors know that maximizing return on investment on rental properties involves more than just collecting rent. It's about proactive maintenance. Tracking maintenance performance is key to boosting your bottom line. Neglecting small issues leads to bigger, costlier problems down the road. Imagine this: a leaky faucet goes unnoticed. Over time, it causes water damage, requiring expensive repairs and potentially even displacing tenants. Tracking maintenance requests and their resolution helps prevent such scenarios. By staying organized and addressing issues promptly, you protect your investment and keep tenants happy. Happy tenants are more likely to renew leases, reducing costly vacancies. Proactive maintenance is a win-win for everyone involved. A centralized work order system is crucial for efficient maintenance management. It acts as a central hub for all maintenance requests, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Tenants can easily submit requests online or through a mobile app. These requests are then automatically logged in the system, creating a clear record of the issue, its location, and the time it was reported. This eliminates confusion and ensures that maintenance staff receive timely notifications. With a centralized system, you can assign tasks to specific staff members or vendors, track their progress, and communicate with tenants directly. This streamlined approach minimizes delays, reduces miscommunication, and improves overall efficiency. Effective maintenance relies on meticulous record-keeping and data analysis. By diligently logging all maintenance activities, you create a valuable database. This data helps you identify trends, anticipate future needs, and make informed decisions about your property. Regularly scheduled inspections should be an integral part of your maintenance plan. By proactively identifying potential issues, you can address them before they escalate. Analyzing maintenance data allows you to track expenses, identify recurring problems, and evaluate the performance of vendors or staff. This data-driven approach helps you optimize your maintenance spending and make proactive decisions that save you money in the long run. Your tenants and staff are valuable sources of information. Encourage tenants to provide feedback on completed repairs and report any recurring issues. Their insights can help you identify areas for improvement. Regularly communicate with your maintenance staff to gather their feedback on the effectiveness of current processes and equipment. Use this feedback to adjust your maintenance plans and ensure they align with the specific needs of your property. Real-time reporting through your maintenance management software provides valuable insights into the overall health of your property. By monitoring key metrics, you can identify potential problems early on and take corrective action. By embracing a proactive, data-driven approach to maintenance, you'll not only protect your investment but also create a more comfortable and satisfying experience for your tenants.